Check the timing chain. Looks good, but the idle's rough. I'll check the plugs. Good call. All right, hood's secure. Let's get in there. Copy that, starting with the intake. I'll handle the lines. All right, hood's secure. Starting on the intake. Copy. Fender bolts are loose. Good. Watch the wiring harness. All right, lowering it in. Easy. Watch the mounts on the left. Alignment is good. Proceed. Initiate system test. Telemetry is live. Check the power curves. Confirmed. Optimal. Good. Note it. Calibrating the sensor array now. Copy that. I'm monitoring the waveforms. Good. Check the 3D model sync. Readings are stable here. Good. Check the upper frame. Spec is 2.5 tolerance. Confirmed. Within spec. Excellent. Left arm, proceed with panel fastening. Right arm, align and secure. Overhead, final adjustments. Torque this main cap to spec. Aligning the cam. Looks good. Alignment looks good. Yeah, torque specs are holding. Good. Check the front mounts. On it. Check the ignition wiring. Looks good. Moving to the seats. I'll grab the wrench for the bracket. Check the console alignment. Dashboard's clean. Looks good. Got the wrench. What's next? Good. Passenger side next. Welcome to the TW226 finale. Let's see what this beauty can do.